Hey food lovers, winter is here, and it's the perfect time to add some hearty mushrooms to your diet. Get ready to elevate your winter cooking game and impress your taste buds. Let's get started. First up, we're tackling a classic mushroom soup. This isn't just any mushroom soup, it's a rich, velvety blend that will warm your soul and tantalize your taste buds. Don't even think about reaching for that canned rubbish. We're making this from scratch, and trust me, it's worth every minute. We'll start by sautéing a medley of mushrooms, shiitake, cremini, portobello, each bringing its unique flavor and texture to the dish, with aromatic herbs and a touch of garlic. The aroma alone will have your kitchen smelling like a gourmet restaurant. Deglaze the pan with a splash of dry sherry, add chicken stock, and let it simmer to perfection. This step is crucial for developing deep, complex flavors. Finish with an immersion blender, blending until smooth and creamy. This gives the soup its luxurious texture, a dollop of creme fraiche and fresh chives. It's a flavor explosion. Each spoonful is a symphony of taste, making this mushroom soup an unforgettable experience. Get ready for a taste of Italy with a creamy mushroom risotto. Toast arborio rice in butter until golden, add porcini and oyster mushrooms, then gradually ladle in hot broth, stirring constantly until creamy. Finish with a generous grating of Parmesan cheese. Serve immediately and enjoy the creamy, cheesy goodness. Let's get our hands dirty with some stuffed mushrooms, perfect as appetizers or a tasty snack. Clean and remove stems from large cremini mushrooms, chop the stems, and mix with garlicky breadcrumbs, herbs, and Parmesan. Spoon the mixture into the mushroom caps and bake until golden brown and bubbly. These little bites will disappear faster than you can say delicious. Pasta lovers, this one's for you. Get ready for a mushroom pasta dish that's both comforting and satisfying. Cook your favorite pasta, then sauté a mixture of mushrooms with garlic, shallots, and fresh thyme. Toss with cooked pasta, a splash of pasta water, and a knob of butter. Finish with fresh parsley and Parmesan cheese for a dish bursting with flavor. Who doesn't love a good pizza? It's a universal favorite, bringing people together with its deliciousness. Add mushrooms and it becomes an absolute game changer. The earthy flavor of mushrooms elevates the pizza to a whole new level. Start with a crispy pizza crust, the foundation of any great pizza. A well-baked crust provides the perfect base for all the toppings. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. The sauce is the heart of the pizza. Then, add sliced cremini mushrooms, roasted garlic, and crumbled goat cheese. These ingredients bring a rich and savory taste. Scatter fresh mozzarella over the top. The cheese melts beautifully, creating a creamy and gooey texture. Bake until golden brown and bubbly. The sight of a perfectly baked pizza is simply irresistible. A sprinkle of fresh basil after baking adds a touch of freshness. The aroma of basil enhances the overall experience. This pizza is amore at first bite. Each slice is a perfect blend of flavors and textures, making it a delightful treat. Short on time, need a meal that's both quick and satisfying? This mushroom stir-fry is the perfect weeknight meal. Quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Start by prepping your ingredients. Thinly slice mushrooms, chop garlic and ginger, and get your vegetables ready. Slice bell peppers and onions. Heat a pan and stir-fry the mushrooms until they become tender and golden brown. Then, add the chopped garlic, ginger, bell peppers, and onions. Stir-fry everything together until the vegetables are crisp, tender, and fragrant. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, and red pepper flakes. Pour this flavorful sauce over the stir-fry and cook until it thickens and coats the vegetables beautifully. Serve this delicious stir-fry over a bed of rice or noodles for a complete meal. Enjoy the perfect balance of flavors and textures in every bite. Elevate your gravy game with this luxurious mushroom gravy. Sauté chopped cremini and portobello mushrooms in butter until golden brown. Sprinkle in flour to create a roux, then gradually whisk in warm broth, stirring constantly. Season with salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. Perfect for mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or biscuits. Looking for a delicious and protein-packed breakfast? Try this mushroom omelet. Heat butter in a non-stick skillet, whisk together eggs with milk, and season with salt and pepper. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet, cook until almost set, then sprinkle cheese and sautéed mushrooms. Fold the omelet in half, cook until the cheese melts, and enjoy. For a lighter option, let's whip up a refreshing mushroom salad. Clean and slice a variety of mushrooms, toss with olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast until tender. Prepare a mix of baby spinach and arugula, toast some nuts, and crumble goat cheese. Whisk together a vinaigrette with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and honey. Combine roasted mushrooms with the salad ingredients, and toss to enjoy. Get ready for a fiesta with these flavorful mushroom tacos. Heat oil in a skillet, add chopped onions and bell peppers, and cook until softened. Add taco seasoning, sliced mushrooms, and cook until tender and slightly browned. Warm tortillas, assemble with mushroom filling and your favorite toppings, and dig in. There you have it, folks. 10 amazing ways to add mushrooms to your winter diet. Which one of these mushroom masterpieces are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Stay warm and happy cooking.